In this video, we'll walk through the installation and activation of the wall-mounted 525mm SmartPoint module. The wall-mounted enclosure is designed for outdoor use and should be installed with the logo facing upright, not sideways or upside down. The module comes in two versions, either a TouchCoupler or a wired connection. For this demonstration, we'll be showing the TouchCoupler installation method. Before you begin the installation, ensure you have the necessary tools and materials ready. This includes a cordless drill with the appropriate drill bit and 4 mounting screws. For the wire splicing, recommended items include 3 UY2 gel-filled butt connectors or gel caps, an E9Y step jaw crimping tool, a wire cutter, a wire stripper, a touch reader 3096, a TRPL cable, and to activate the 525mm SmartPoint, a Census command link. First, you will need to remove the SmartPoint module from the wall enclosure. To do this, loosen the locking nut by turning it counterclockwise. You just need to loosen it enough to slide the entire SmartPoint module out of the enclosure. Position the enclosure against the wall where it will be mounted. Mark the 4 mounting hole locations, then pre-drill the holes for fastening the unit to the wall. Drive the top 2 screws into the wall, leaving an approximate 1/4 inch gap between the screw head and the wall. Strip approximately 2 inches off the outer jacket of the TRPL cable. The exposed wire colors should be red and black for a 2-wire cable or red, black, and green for a 3-wire cable. Using the gel-filled connectors, splice each wire with the corresponding colored wire from the meter cable extending from the wall. For cables coming from third-party meters, refer to the encoder wiring reference table to verify the correct wire splicing connections. The wire pairs must be gel-capped individually. Insert the paired wires into the gel cap. Using the crimping tool, squeeze the gel cap to seal the connection. Repeat this process for the remaining wire connections. Gently pull on the gel cap while holding the wires to ensure the connection is tight and secure. Note, if any of the wire connections are not being used, they should be capped at the end with a gel cap. This is to prevent wire damage due to water intrusion. Perform a touch read on the TRPL sensor to ensure touch read to the register works. Insert the TRPL sensor into the adapter until it snaps into place. Orient the module so that the adapter is pointing to the left when looking at the inside of the enclosure, then slide the module back into place. The top of the pit housing should sit above the internal shelf. Hand tighten the nut until the SmartPoint module is locked and cannot move. Mount the unit on the wall by lining up the keyhole slots with the 2 screws you placed earlier and then hang the unit from these screws. If you are unable to mount the unit over where the cable comes out of the wall, run the TRPL wire cable through the small notch located on the right side of the bottom of the enclosure and then mount the unit. At this time, before you drive in all the mounting screws, you will want to activate the SmartPoint. Start the Field Logic Tools application from your Field device. If prompted, log in with your Field Logic Tools username and password. You must first connect your device to the 525mm SmartPoint. To do this, with the flat side of the command link facing up, hold it against the bottom of the wall enclosure. While holding the command link in that position, select the Connect icon from the Field Logic Tools main screen. Check the command link's LEDs to ensure that the blue LNK LED is illuminated, indicating a Bluetooth connection between the Field device and the command link. Field Logic Tools will go through a series of tasks as it attempts to communicate with the SmartPoint module through the command link. Upon a successful connection, Field Logic Tools displays the device summary screen. You are now ready to activate the SmartPoint module. Remove the command link from the bottom of the wall enclosure. Select Activate. It will now perform a battery test. When prompted to complete the physical installation before continuing, select OK as the SmartPoint has already been properly mounted, except for the final tightening and driving of the remaining screws. Field logic tools will now run through and display a series of additional tasks. At the Activate Success screen, select OK. Your device is now active. From this screen, there are various options from which to choose. To view port status, register and alarm settings, plus other additional details and network information, select View Details. Scroll through the details. Once finished, select OK. Select Disconnect to return to the Field Logic Tool's main screen. Secure the top 2 screws and then drive the remaining 2 screws into the lower pre-drilled holes. Your installation and activation process is now complete.